When a company's strategy and cultural intention are well aligned, that's when success is created. Master Fluid Solution has over 100 employees in India, where we're able to manufacture, distribute, and service to each one of our customers.
We have a factory in Pune, which is located in Chakan, sprawling over 3 acres of land, where we have state-of-the-art manufacturing. We also back up our manufacturing with R&D facility, which is meeting global standards.
Each year, Master Fluid Solution has been able to grow by 20% year over year. This type of growth only comes from great coordination from our research and development, to our sales and commercial team, to our human resources. Our guiding principle is the golden rule. We do what we say we're going to do, and we take care of our employees, and we're very proud of that.